talk about Samsung Galaxy J7 Plus. The Nokia 7 Plus is the bigger brother of the Nokia 7, which differs slightly regarding hardware but looks similar to its predecessor. The device sports an aluminium body which makes it light and also reflects a premium feel. The front-facing home button doubles up as a fingerprint reader which can be used by the user to record multiple fingerprints. For shutterbugs, the handset comes with an 8-megapixel front-facing camera and a 16-megapixel primary shooter. The Nokia 7 Plus is equipped with an impressive set of imaging pieces and can be used to capture vivid images, videos, selfies, etc. You can also afford to shoot in the dark thanks to the presence of an LED flash. Performance and battery. At its heart, the Nokia 7 Plus is armed with an octa-core Snapdragon 660 chipset which is clocked at 2.5 GHz and is paired with 4 GB of RAM that ensures smooth sailing. There is no effect on the performance even while multitasking or playing games for a longer period. The Nokia 7 Plus is backed up by a non-removable Li-ion 3300 mAh cell which is expected to hold up for a day for a moderate user. Display and storage. The device flaunts a 5.5-inch Full HD TFT display. The 5.5-inch screen has become the norm in most devices. The display is bright and is coupled with wide viewing angles. Internal storage space on the Nokia 7 Plus is 64 GB that lets you store all that you want, and for users with a higher requirement, there is an expansion slot which lets you boost the storage further using a microSD card up to 128 GB.